Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain one of the most accounting topics, retained earnings. This video is especially made for new learners, students and beginners. After watching this video, you will clearly understand about retained earnings. What is retained earnings? Retained earnings are the cumulative net earnings or profit a company keeps after paying dividend to shareholders. Dividends are the last financial obligations paid by a company during a period. Retained refers to the fact that those earnings were kept by the company. Retained earnings represent the financial strength and growth capacity of a business. Retained earnings belongs to the owners, but they are reinvested in the business. So, profit earning minus dividend paid equal to retained earnings. Retained earnings is not an expense, not cash, it is accumulated profit. Retained earning formula. Business calculate their retained earnings at the end of every accounting period, typically on a monthly, quarterly, and yearly basis. Retained earnings equal to beginning retained earnings plus net income minus dividend. Why is retained earnings important? Retained earnings important for to expand the business, to buy new asset, that is machine, furniture and building, to repay loans, to face future losses or emergencies, to make stronger financial position. Retained earnings show how much profit the company has saved over time. Nature of retained earnings. Retained earnings is equity or capital type. It is normally credit balance. It appears in balance sheet. It is related to profit and loss account. Where is retained earnings shown? Retained earnings can typically be found on a company's balance sheet in the shareholders' equity section. Retained earnings are calculated by taking the beginning period retained earnings, adding the net income or loss, and subtracting dividend payouts. Retained earning calculation formula. If profit, opening retained earnings plus net profit minus dividend equal to closing retained earnings. Retained earnings calculation formula. If loss, opening retained earnings minus net loss minus dividend if any equal to closing retained earnings. Retained earning calculation example for the year 2022. If beginning retained earning nil, net profit is 50, dividend payment is nil, then solution will be opening retained earnings 0 plus net profit 50 minus dividend if any nil. So closing retained earnings will be 50. Year 2023, if beginning retained earning is 50, the closing 2022 retained earning 50 is the beginning retained earnings of 2023 is 50. If net profit is 80, dividend payment is nil, then solution will be opening retained earnings 50, net profit is 80, dividend payment nil, then closing retained earnings of 2023 is 130. Year 2024, if beginning retained earning is 130, this closing 130 is beginning 130 of 2024. If net loss 20, dividend payment 30, then solution will be opening retained earnings 130, net loss minus 20, dividend payment minus 30. So closing retained earnings will be 80 in 2024. Year 2025, if beginning retained earnings is 80, 2024 closing retained earnings is opening retained earnings of 2025. Net profit is 45. Dividend payment is 35. Then solution will be opening retained earnings 80, net profit 45 minus dividend paid 35. So closing retained earnings in 2025 will be 90. Here we will work a practical example about how to calculate retained earnings. ABC Company Limited income statement for the year ended December 31, 2025. Revenue, sales 700 less cost of goods sold 2000. Gross profit will be 700 minus 20 equal to 500. Expenses, selling 30, administration 50, other expense 40. Total expense is 120. So income before income tax equal to gross profit minus total expense equal to 380 less income tax 10% of income minus 38. So net income will be 342. Now we will calculate a retained earnings of ABC Company. ABC Company Limited retained earnings statement for the year ended December 31, 2025. Here given information, if beginning retained earnings of 2025 is 150, dividend paid taka 92, what will be closing retained earnings? Beginning retained earnings of 2025 150. This is beginning retained earnings. This is net income 342 for the year ended 31st December 2025. Now add net income 342. Subtotal will be 492. Here given dividend paid taka 92. So less dividend taka 92. So closing retained earnings December 31st, 2025 will be 492 minus 92 equal to 400. Viewers, these are the all about retained earnings. If this video helped you, please like, share and comments. Thank you for watching.